Good morning, student. Today I am going to describe the chapter 9, Kalpana Chawla. In this chapter, you know about the Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut. Kalpana Chawla एक American astronaut थी, engineer and the first woman of Indian descent to go to the space. वो इंडिया की पहली भारतीय महिला थी जो स्पेस पे गई थी. She first flew on the space shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission of the specialist and the primary robotic arm operator. Kalpana Chawla was an Indo-American astronaut and space shuttle mission specialist. She was one of the 7 crew members killed in the space shuttle Columbia disaster. कल्पना चावला एक अमेरिकन एस्ट्रोनॉट थी जो एक मिशन पे गई थी 7 मेंबर्स के साथ, और जब वो स्पेस वापस आ रहा था तो उस स्पेस की दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया था जिनमें सारे लोग मारे गए थे. अर्ली लाइफ. कल्पना चावला की अर्ली लाइफ के विषय में आप जानेंगे. कल्पना चावला वाज बॉर्न इन हिंदू फैमिली इन कर्नल हरियाणा. कल्पना चावला एक हिंदू की कर्नल फैमिली में, हरियाणा की लड़की थी, कर्नल फैमिली में इनका जन्म हुआ था. इंडिया में कल्पना इस संस्कृत में कल्पना का मतलब संस्कृत में होता है इमेजिनेशन ऑफ द माइंड. मतलब एक कल्पना इमेजिनेशन ऑफ द माइंड एंड द सो क्रिएशन. हर इंटरेस्ट इन फ्लाइंग was inspiring by J.R.D. Tata, a pioneering Indian pilot and the industrialist. और उनकी एजुकेशन के विषय में उन्होंने कहाँ पे एजुकेशन अपना कैसे उनकी एजुकेशन हुई उसके विषय में इन लाइन पे आप जानेंगे. कल्पना चावला स्टडीज एट टैगोर पब्लिक स्कूल कर्नल फॉर हर अर्ली स्कूलिंग एंड इन 1982 she pursued further studies aeronautical engineering at Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh, India, where she earned her Bachelor of Science degree. She was one of the 3 women in the college at the time. She moved to the United States in 1982 and obtained a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering for the University of Texas and the Arlington in 1984. Chawla earned a second Master of Science degree in the Mechanical Engineering in 1986 and a PhD in Aerospace Engineering in 1988 for the University of the Coronado at the Boulder. Later that year, she began working for NASA Ames Research Center. Chawla held a certificate flight instructor rating for the aeroplanes, gliders, and the commercial pilot license for single and the multi-engine aeroplanes, seaplanes, and gliders. She held an FCC issued technician class amateur radio license with the call sign KD5 ESI. She met and married Jean Para Harrison, a flying instructor and the aviation writer, in 1983 and became a naturalized United States citizen in 1990. नासा कैरियर. उनके नासा में उनका कैरियर कैसा था इसके विषय में यहाँ पे जानेंगे. चावला ज्वाइन इन द नासा एस्ट्रोनॉट Corps in March 1995 and was selected for her first flight in 1998. Her first space mission began in November 1997 as part of the 6 astronaut crew that flew the space shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. Chawla was the first Indian-born woman and the second person of the Indian origin to to fly in space. Following the cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma, who flew in 1984 in a Soviet spacecraft, it must be noted that while Rakesh Sharma represented India, Chawla was an American astronaut who represented the United States and India too. Sharma and Chawla never met even though they should have. Despite their common interest on her first mission, Chawla traveled over 10.4 million miles in 252 orbits on the Earth, logging more than 360 hours in space. During STS 87, she was responsible for deploying the Spartan satellite, which malfunctioned, necessitating the spacewalk by Winston Scott and the Tokyo Doi to capture the satellite. A few months NASA investigation fully exonerated Chawla by identifying errors in the software interfaces and the defined procedures to flight crew and ground control. After the completion of STS 87, post flight activates, Chawla was assigned to technical positions in the astronaut office. Her performance, in which was recognized with a special award from her peers. In 2000, she was selected for her second flight as per for the crew of STS 107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to scheduling conflicts and technical problems, such as the July 2002 discovery of cracks in the shuttle engine flow liners. On January 16, 2003, Chawla's responsibilities include the spa- spa- space hub, freestar microgravity experiments, for which the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology development, and the astronaut health and safety. Chawla's last visit to India was during the 1991 and 1992 New Year holidays, when she and her husband spent time with her family. For various reasons, Chawla was never able to follow up the invitations to visit India after she became an astronaut. पर्सनल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स, उनके पर्सनल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स के विषय में इन पंक्तियों में आप जानेंगे. चावला was a vegetarian. On her mission, she carried a white silk banner as part of the worldwide campaign to teacher, as well as nearly 2 dozen SGs, including ones by Abida Parveen, Yehudi Menuhin, Ravi Shankar, and Deep Purple. She went to her first rock concert, a Deep Purple show, in 2001 with her husband. Kalpana is not necessarily a rock music aficionado. Her husband sent off Deep Purple show, but nevertheless characterized the show as a spiritual experience. She enjoyed bird watching, backpacking, hiking, flying, and reading. Quoting philosopher Lucius Ennius, Seneca. She always said, I was not born for one corner, the whole world is my native land. अवार्ड्स उन्हें कौन कौन से अवार्ड्स मिले? एस्थू मोजली अवॉर्डेड कांग्रेशनल स्पेस मेडल ऑफ ऑनर, नासा स्पेस फ्लाइट मेडल, नासा डिस्टिंग्यूज्ड सर्विस मेडल, डिफेंस डिस्टिंग्यूज्ड सर्विस मेडल DDSM, मेमोयर एस्ट्रॉयड 508-26 कल्पना चावला one of C Columbia crew. On February 5, 2003, India's Prime Minister announced that the meteorological series on satellites METSAT will be renamed as Kalpana. The first satellite of the series METSAT, first launched by the India on September 12, 2002, will be now known as Kalpana first. Kalpana second, expected to launch by 2007. 74th Street of Jackson Heights, Queens, New York City has been renamed 74th Street Kalpana Chawla Way in her honor. Then the University of Texas at Arlington, where Chawla obtained a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering in 1984, opened a dormitory named in her honor, Kalpana Chawla Hall, in 2004. Kalpana Chawla Award was instituted by the Government of Karnataka in 2004 for young women scientists. The Girl Hostel in Punjab Engineering College is named after Kalpana Chawla. In addition, an award of INR 25,000, a medal, and a certificate is instituted for the best student in Aeronautical Engineering Department. NASA has dedicated a supercomputer to Kalpana. On the Florida Institute of the Technologies student apartment complexes, Columbia Village Suites has halls named after each of the astronauts, including Chawla. NASA Mars Exploration Rover mission has named 7 peaks in a chain of hills named the Columbia Hills, after each of the 7 astronauts lost in the Columbia shuttle disaster, including Chawla Hill after Kalpana Chawla. Now your chapter over.